Settle into a comfortable position where your body feels supported. Let yourself arrive here. If your eyes feel comfortable closing, allow them to close. If not, soften your gaze. Bring your attention to your breath. Notice the inhale. Notice the exhale. Without forcing anything, let your breath slow slightly. Inhale a little more fully. Exhale a little longer. Feel your body becoming present, not heavy, just here. Notice your feet. Feel where they connect with the surface beneath you. Notice your legs, your hips, your torso. Your body is steady, supported. Your shoulders relax naturally. Your jaw softens. Your face settles. Thoughts may appear. You don't need to follow them. Let your attention remain here, in this moment. Right now, there's nothing to solve, nothing to analyze, just a quiet, focused awareness. With each breath, your attention becomes clearer, more direct, more settled. Your mind is open. Your body is ready. As your attention stays settled, begin to notice a quiet readiness inside you, not urgency, not pressure, just readiness. There is a version of you that moves naturally, that begins without friction, that follows through without effort. That version isn't somewhere else, it's already part of you. Right now, you're simply allowing that part to come forward. You don't need motivation to act. You act because it feels aligned. You don't wait for the perfect moment. You recognize when it's time and you begin. Action feels simple here, clear, uncomplicated. Notice how your body responds to that idea. A subtle sense of forward movement, a quiet willingness to engage. This is not about forcing yourself, it's about trusting yourself. You trust your decisions. You trust your timing. You trust your ability to move. Action is not something you work up to. It's something you step into. And as you remain in this focused state, that identity becomes easier to access, more familiar, more natural. You are someone who takes action. You begin, you continue, you complete. Let that settle into your awareness. Stay with the feeling of readiness inside you. There is no rush. There is no pressure. Only clarity. You are someone who takes action. This is part of who you are. You begin when it's time. And when you begin, momentum follows. Action feels natural to you. Simple. Direct. You trust yourself to start. You trust yourself to continue. You trust yourself to finish. Each step feels clear as you take it. You focus on what's in front of you. And you move. You don't need to think ahead. You don't need to plan every outcome. You act. And the next step reveals itself. You are comfortable with movement. You are comfortable with progress. Small actions feel easy, and small actions build naturally. You move forward consistently, without drama, without hesitation. Your energy flows into what matters. Your attention stays present. You follow through because it feels aligned, because it feels right. You are reliable with yourself. You honor your decisions. You respect your intentions. Each time you act, confidence deepens. Each time you act, trust strengthens. Action reinforces who you are. You are focused. You are steady. You are engaged. You don't wait for certainty. Certainty grows as you move. You are comfortable beginning. You are comfortable continuing. You are comfortable completing. Your mind stays clear. Your body stays responsive. You move at a pace that works for you. You stay connected to what you're doing. You choose progress. You choose motion. You choose follow-through. This feels normal. This feels familiar. Action is part of your rhythm now. You notice how easy it feels to start, how natural it feels to continue. You don't overthink movement. You move. You act with clarity. You act with intention. Each step you take creates momentum. Momentum supports you. You remain calm as you act. You remain grounded as you move forward. You trust the process you're in. You trust yourself within it. You are someone who takes action. This identity is stable. It's integrated. Let these statements settle deeply. There's nothing to force. Your mind accepts this easily. Your body responds naturally. You move when it's time. And it feels right. Stay here for a few more moments. Let this identity solidify. Now bring your attention to the feeling of forward readiness in your body. A quiet sense of movement. A willingness to begin. Let this state gather into something simple and clear. Choose this phrase and repeat it silently. I move when it's time. Say it again, slowly. I move when it's time. As you repeat it, notice a subtle forward sensation in your body, a gentle shift, almost like leaning slightly into motion. This phrase connects you directly to action, not force, not pressure, just movement. Anytime you feel ready to begin, you can pause, take one steady breath, and repeat this phrase. I move when it's time. And your body responds. Your attention aligns. You begin. The anchor is set. Begin to bring your attention back to the space around you. Notice the surface supporting your body, the position you're in. the quiet steadiness of your breath. The sense of readiness stays with you. You're not leaving it behind. You're carrying it forward. Take a slightly deeper breath in and let it out slowly. Feel your body becoming more awake, clear, oriented, ready. There's no rush. You can move at your own pace. That identity remains steady beneath the surface. You take action naturally. You begin when it's time. When your eyes feel ready, allow them to open gently. Let the room come back into focus. Take one final breath in and let it go. You're back, clear and grounded, with a natural sense of momentum. You move when it's time.